Today we're showing you a 2015 New Holland Workmaster 70 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor with a New Holland 611 TL quick attach front loader. Has the skid steer cell hook up here for your bucket quick attach. Bucket's in nice shape. The tractor has just over 200 hours on it. It's a very sharp tractor. Has 70 horsepower. Has a 3-cylinder diesel engine with a turbo. Has the R4 industrial tires, geared transmission. It does have the canopy top up top, dual remotes back here, which is a nice feature on these machines. 540 PTO, has the telescopic arms on your 3-point links there, stabilizer bars on both sides. Just a very clean tractor. Paint's excellent on the tractor. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Has the 8x8 mechanical shuttle, so you have the shuttle up here on the dash, and then high-low range beside the seat, and then 4 gears over there to the right. So you have 8 speeds in forward and reverse. Back over here to the left of the seat, you have the PTO engagement, and then your four-wheel drive engagement is the black lever down below there. To the right, you have your 3-point and hydraulic controls. Loader joystick within easy reach. You can see there's barely any paint off of the floorboards. It's a very, very clean tractor. We do also take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 130 to 150 used tractors on our yard. You can see our current inventory at masstractor.com. If you have any questions at all, please contact us.